this is the new PC that I made over 2 years. You can build a budget PC like mine. The specifications of this PC can be all over the place to some PC geeks, but I built this PC throughout 2 years and adding parts here and there. So it is not the best PC specs wise. Talking about the accessories, this is an LG 29-inch wide 1080p 75Hz monitor. This is the best purchase that I made for editing. The wide screen makes it easier for me to edit big videos because I can see the entire timeline. If you use Premiere, you know that the Lumetri panel is on the right side, so that makes the timeline short. On this monitor, the timeline is wide even with the panel on the right. This makes it easier for me to edit videos fast and smooth. I bought this monitor 6 months ago on I think around Durga Puja in 2019. So yeah, if you want to purchase this monitor, you can. It is a very good monitor for both video editing and also playing games, so I will highly recommend it. So this was before purchasing the monitor. So you can see I used to use dual monitor 720p, two monitors of 720p to edit my videos, to see the video preview on one monitor and also edit the video on the second one. When playing games, you get a wider angle to find where your enemies are hiding and a lot more details and advantages. One thing you should note, not all games support widescreen monitors. Games like Valorant will have black bars on the side. Now GTA 5 looks breathtaking on this monitor. The visuals are just mind-blowing. There is an app that lets you multitask as well. You can run different apps on the same screen by creating grids. This is super useful while editing videos and also listening to songs or browsing the web. The keyboard is Redgear MK881 mechanical keyboard with blue switches. The keyboard has an aluminium body with a super comfortable keys that also really help me in editing and gaming. You can check out the keyboard review here and the MF Tech mouse review on the channel. I will add the link in the description box below. Do check the videos out for more information. I am using the MF Tech mouse for ages, like 3 years. You can find the review video here. It is just so good. The cabinet is my favorite. I just fell in love with the design. The 3 fans with RGB LED and the glass is just amazing. The most amazing part of this chassis is that when I need to open the glass, it will not come out entirely. Just like a window, it will open like this. The processor that I have been using is AMD 3400G. This processor has an integrated GPU, so if you don't have the budget to buy a graphics card, then you can go with this processor because it is very powerful, and I've been using it for like 1 year without a graphics card to edit my videos, to play games with my friends and do all the other tasks. So yeah, I'm using it for 1 year and I can definitely recommend it. If you are going for a budget PC build without a graphics card, then you must go with the 3400G. You can build a PC like mine without a wide monitor or a graphics card and still get 50 to 60 FPS on most games like Valorant and CSGO on low to medium settings. Without a graphics card, it was painful to play games in 4K or edit 4K videos. The Zotac 2060 is new. I purchased this graphics card 2 weeks ago when I started editing videos daily. The video rendering time was over 2 hours with the integrated GPU. Now with this awesome graphics card, the time to render a 10-minute 4K video is just under 20 minutes. Incredibly fast and absolute necessity for fast video rendering. Apart from the video editing, I play GTA 5 on ultra settings and still get 90 to 150 FPS. Considering my monitor size and processor, the FPS is a bit low, but still on ultra I faced no lag, no frame drop, and the game runs buttery smooth. The stock cooler that I am using is from Ant Esports. So my entire build Ant Esports, the fans, the cabinet Ant Esports. Bought a stock cooler from Ant Esports and the cost is around 1300 rupees. On the top of the PC, I also added two fans to make it cooler. Yeah, the noise is now louder and all the fans are running at 100%. So yeah, there are some background noise. So whenever I am recording a video, I need to shut my PC down. But anyways, the top fans make it cooler, make the PC cooler, and yeah, the airflow of this cabinet is really good. And as you can see, the placement of the fans, I also added some exhaust on the top so that it can pull all the heat from the processor, from the graphics card. And now honestly, after placing the fans on the top, the PC really heats while playing AAA games. Also, I forgot to mention is that this mouse pad is from Red Gear. So this is a LED mouse pad. I also purchased it like 1 year ago from Amazon. If I find it on Amazon, I will definitely add the link in the description below. The motherboard is very basic. It is BM500 from Gigabyte, and it is just an entry level motherboard that I purchased because when I purchased the PC, my budget was super tight. It was around 30,000 rupees. I'm using 1 8 GB DDR4 RAM. So I'm actually thinking of upgrading it to 16 gigs. Now do let me in the comment section how is the setup. I worked very hard to build it and I want to thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.